Imagine this. For centuries, humankind has gazed upward, charting the stars and tracing the faintest threads of light across the heavens. We built instruments of ever greater power, each designed to pull back the veil of the cosmos. And now, the most advanced of them all, the James Webb Space Telescope, has returned with a revelation so strange, so shattering, it threatens to upend everything we thought we knew about existence. This was meant to be a triumph of science. A machine capable of capturing the glow of the very first stars, light that has traveled billions of years to reach us. Instead, it has delivered something far more unsettling, a whisper from the edge of reality, suggesting that we may not be living in the universe we thought we knew at all. Even a Nobel Prize-winning physicist has admitted the implications are staggering. The beginning came with a faint, almost unremarkable smudge in the darkness, a pale yellow mark barely distinguishable from background noise. Yet when astronomers examined it, their models began to collapse. This was no ordinary galaxy. It was the most distant one ever seen, forged a mere 290 million years after the Big Bang, an infant cosmos still reeling from its birth. But this galaxy was impossibly massive, brilliantly luminous, and impossibly well-structured for something that should have been born in chaos. According to every model we have, there was neither time nor matter enough for such complexity to exist so soon. And yet there it was, defying our expectations with a quiet, stubborn light. The surprise deepened when Webb found more, dozens of them. Galaxies far too old for their time, their very presence a contradiction to the universe's established timeline. And stranger still, some of them were utterly alien in composition. In most galaxies, only a fraction of the gas becomes stars, with the rest lingering in clouds of dust to form future generations. But Webb identified entire galaxies that had converted 100% of their matter into stars, no dust, no gas, no raw material for new suns, as if they had sprung into being already finished. It is here that the questions grow sharper, even philosophical. What if these are not galaxies in the way we understand them? Could they be structures from another reality, remnants from before our own universe began? Or intrusions from some other cosmos entirely? The strangeness does not end there. To understand the full weight of this, we must remember that the universe is expanding. The farther something is, the faster it moves away, until beyond a certain boundary, known as the Hubble sphere, its light should never reach us at all. Yet Webb is somehow detecting objects beyond this horizon, their photons slipping across a distance they should never have crossed, as though the edge of the universe is not fixed, but porous. This suggests a chilling possibility. Perhaps we are glimpsing into territory outside our own cosmos. And then came the signal. Somewhere in the background hum of creation, Webb detected a faint, rhythmic oscillation. It was no pulsar, no gravitational wave, no static from the early cosmos. It repeated with mathematical precision, as though carrying a deliberate message. Some have called it the heartbeat beyond time. Others suspect exotic matter, or even the residue of something not born of our universe at all. Its regularity is almost unnerving, as if some intelligence, ancient and patient, left its mark in the fabric of reality itself. Gravity, too, has begun to misbehave. At the farthest reaches of Webb's vision are galaxies bending light with gravitational force far greater than their visible mass would allow. These are not mere cases of dark matter. They are more like invisible weights pressing down on spacetime. Some scientists now speak of phantom mass fields, as if the gravity we feel comes from another reality bleeding into ours. And so the whispers of a multiverse grow louder. Webb has spotted subtle asymmetries in the motions of far-off galaxies, tiny clues that another universe might be tugging against ours, like an unseen partner in a cosmic dance. There are even hints of a mirrored reality where time flows in reverse and the laws of physics run counter to everything we know. The discoveries grow stranger still. In one observation, light from the universe's edge behaved in a way that should be impossible. Instead of fading beyond our reach, it returned, bearing the exact same spectral fingerprint, as if it had bounced back from something at the edge of reality. Could the universe be finite, folding back on itself? Or did that light strike something massive, something reflective, that lies beyond our known existence? Chemical analysis has added to the enigma. Webb's instruments have found heavy elements, carbon, oxygen, even complex organic compounds, in galaxies that should not have had enough time to forge them. According to our understanding, such chemistry takes billions of years, yet these young galaxies hold it in abundance, as though born with it already in place. The cosmic microwave background, once thought to be the untouched glow of the Big Bang, also shows strange distortions in Webb's readings. They form patterns, deliberate, geometric, implying the influence of something beyond the bounds of our universe. Some suggest cosmic strings, hypothetical threads from the earliest moments of creation. Others see the fingerprints of another universe pushing against our own. Piece by piece, the telescope has assembled a portrait of reality that is both magnificent and terrifying. Impossible galaxies, phantom masses, a cosmic heartbeat. Mirrored patterns, returning light, geometric alignments, ancient chemistry, distorted background radiation. Each one a thread in a far greater tapestry, woven from countless realities, each perhaps touching the others in ways we are only beginning to notice. We once thought the greatest question was whether humanity was alone, but the deeper question may be whether we are even in the correct reality. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to study the dawn of time, yet it may instead have shown us the edges of something older, grander, and stranger than we dared imagine. Perhaps we stand at the intersection of many universes where boundaries are thin, where time and space are not the solid pillars we believed, but shifting currents in an infinite sea. And in that vast ocean, something somewhere has noticed us. The cosmos has blinked back, and whatever it is, it has seen.